Hello everyone. How to get birthday alert on the column J. And as you see on the column E, we have the date of birth. On the column F, we got the age. Now we are going to get the birthday alert on the column J. As you can check, there is nothing to the entire data. All of these cells are empty. Now we are going to insert some logical function to get the birthday alert on the column J for each individual. Now we are going to start the formula. Equal, starting from the F, now we are going to pass another formula, and in the end now we are going to pass the month of the E2 when it exactly equals to the month of the today. This is one part of the formula. Now we are coming to the second logical test. Day of the E2 column exactly equals to the day of the today. The second portion is also complete. Now the logical test is about to complete. Now we are going to, if that value becomes true, we have to print the happy birthday. Close the bracket. Now I'm going to press enter from the keyboard to accept this formula. As you see, we got a empty cell, but yet there is a formula because that's work. This date is not matching to the date of the today. Now we are going to find out what date is today. Today is the 1st of 2024, but here is the 29th of the 12th 1919. But when this date match this date without here, the month and day match, then we will get the alert of the birthday. As you see, there is nothing here, this is empty, but we are going to copy the formula to the down all of the cells. Immediately we got three birthdays. As you see, guys, as we see, 1st of 1st 1993, 1st of 1st 2024. You can easily calculate from 93 to 24. This is age is 31 years. Yeah, this is the birthday for this guy. And even for this guy, age is 33. And this is the birthday for this guy too, and also for this guy too. This guy 1998, 26-year-old. Happy birthday. Yeah, that was all about the birthday alert on a column. So guys, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and support us. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.